and sometimes I like to just kind of like chill out back here. I've taken these seats out, so I have kind of like a little, kind of like camp spot, hangout spot. And the thing is, sometimes it gets really hot in here, and then I just want to circulate air. Well, what I'd look for was just a little fan that I could hang from this part right here, and because I have a outlet here, so then I came across this thing. Check this out. I really like this thing. This is for a desk, kind of back seats, and what it does, it attaches right here on that. So let's just open it up. I've already had it out and checked it out. That's why it's kind of unraveled there. I'm just going to show you everything you get with it. You know what? That's the entire box there. Fan body, you can see how it works. 360 oscillating base. So the voltage you're going to need on this thing is a DC 5, and it pulls at least 2A, and it's a 10 watt of power. You get a little set of instructions, but there's not much to this thing. I'll kind of show you how it works. What you do is you take this base right here, and that's going to screw into the back. Then you get a power button that you just go through 3 mode settings. So let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, you're just going to unscrew this knob right here, pop that in, and then tighten it down, and check it out. So it goes that way, and this is the bottom, that's the top. You see how you just kind of like unhook it there, and then it hooks around a headrest, and there's several settings here that you'll lock onto. There it is. So it's hooked on my headrest right now. Now you're going to take the little USB connector here. I have my Veto Man turn on the USB connector, but you can also run this off of a power bank. That feels awesome. There's number 1, 2, 3. It's hard to tell you how great this feels, but look how I can change the fan blades to whatever. It adjusts up and down and all around. You can go like that, or like, I like it just like this. And what I like to do is hang it from one of these, but I'm just going to show you how they designed it to be hanged from there. But yeah, I highly recommend this for anyone that does any type of traveling, or just kind of like wants to chill out in the back seat, whether it's a van or maybe at your desk or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the vehicle fan double header. See you all in the next video.